Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about some important keywords in SQL. So we have some existing tables. So if I run this query, so I'm getting this data. So suppose I want just 3 records with the album IDs 1, 2 and 3. Then I'm going to use the between keyword. But before that I need to apply the where clause where column name between 1 and 3. So between is an inclusive operator. So here what we are getting the records with an album ID 1, 2 and 3. So if I add 4 here, then I'll be getting the records for 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if I talk about the in keyword, so in keyword is like this: album ID in 1, 2, 3, 4. So it works similar to the way I've shown for between. So in between we have to write between 1 and 4, but in the in keyword we have to write all the IDs for which we want the data. Suppose if I want the data for ID 5, it will give that. Suppose if I want the data for ID 100, it will give me the data. But I want the data for 1000, it will not give because it's not there. Now if I use this for between 1 and 100, then I'll be getting the rows from 1 to 100. So it's kind of a range query. You are going to get the data between 1 and 100 inclusive, in which 1 and 100 are inclusive. And for the in keyword, we were getting uh, only the records of the album ID that we were kept in the in part. So the next is the is keyword that I want to tell you. Suppose I want all the records where the column 1 is null. So here column 1 is null. It's giving me error. Now I think we need to remove album ID. Now we are getting the records where column 1 is null. So that's how the is operator is used. So now if we don't want a record where the column 1 is null, so we can write column 1 is not null. So I'm getting the records where column 1 has some values. Now we can use the not keyword with the in keyword as well. Suppose I want the list of records where album ID is album ID does not belong to 1, 2 or 4. So what we can do, we can write where album ID not in 1, 2. So we are getting the complement of the records where 1, 2 and 4 are present.